Are you gonna put it like on YouTube or something?
Maybe I will. See if I can do my turn. Oh, it's a little wet, so I didn't want to crash myself. See if I can do it the other way. Ready? Oh. See, the board spun around. That was cool. Let me try this little scooter though. I didn't even really get to ride it. Just
Say hi to the camera.
get that on video?
Yeah.
That's why you don't take the water.
I know, I've been But you're on 2 wheels, so
I know, and they're slippery wheels. Obviously.
Do it again.
Do it again. No. I didn't mean to do it the first time. Okay, now I'm wet. So I have to go put these shorts in the dryer. You guys can stay out here and play.